Are you planning to stay in Vietnam for a few months and rent an apartment, but you're not sure where to start? It can be a real headache when arriving in a foreign country. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're going to go over where to look, how much it costs, common mistakes to avoid, and most importantly, how to find the perfect place based on your budget and lifestyle. Whether you're a digital nomad, an expat, or a long-term traveler, this guide will save you a lot of trouble. And stay until the end, because I'll share my best tips for saving money and avoiding scams. Let's dive in. In Vietnam, there's something for everyone. If you're looking to keep costs low, you can opt for a shared house or a basic studio, which is often furnished and sometimes even includes cleaning services. Prices range from $250 to $400 per month, which is already quite decent for comfortable living. If you want more comfort, you can find modern apartments in new buildings. Many of them include amenities like a swimming pool, gym, and even housekeeping. These usually range from $400 to $800 depending on the city and neighborhood. For those who need more space or are moving in with family, you can rent a house or a villa, especially in areas like Da Nang or Hoi An. Of course, prices go up, but compared to Europe, the cost remains very affordable for the quality of life you get. Personally, I chose a modern apartment in Da Nang, just 3 minutes from the famous Mai Khe beach. For $500 a month, including weekly cleaning, it's hard to find a better deal. There are several ways to find a rental. Airbnb can be a great option for the first few weeks, though prices tend to be slightly inflated. If you're only staying for a month, it's convenient because it saves time, and you can rely on reviews from previous tenants. However, if you're planning a longer stay, it's better to check Facebook groups for expats or contact local rental agencies. One of the best strategies is to search in person. Walk around the neighborhood you like, look for rent signs, and contact the landlords directly. This is often how you find the best deals without intermediaries or extra fees. Rental prices depend heavily on location. In Ho Chi Minh City, prices are the highest. Studios start at around $300 to $400, and modern apartments can quickly go beyond $600 to $900. Hanoi is slightly cheaper, with studios ranging from $250 to $400 and well-located apartments between $500 to $700. If you want the best value for money, Da Nang is an incredible option. For $400 to $600, you can get a great apartment with an ocean view in a prime location. And if you're looking to save even more, cities like Hoi An, Nha Trang, or Da Lat offer even lower rents, perfect for a more laid-back lifestyle. If you're unfamiliar with the local rental market, it's easy to fall into some common traps. First, never pay several months of rent in advance, even if some landlords insist. Usually, a 1-month security deposit is enough, or at most, 2 months. Another crucial point is the lease contract. Always check the terms regarding the lease duration, security deposit, and cancellation policy. And if you work online, test the internet connection before signing anything, as some buildings have terrible Wi-Fi. One more important thing: electricity. Some landlords overcharge foreigners, so always ask to see past utility bills. The standard electricity rate is around 8 cents per kilowatt hour, so if they ask for significantly more, be cautious. Once you've found the right place, the rental process is usually straightforward. Many leases are flexible, with 3 to 6 month contracts, which is perfect if you're unsure how long you'll stay. Rent is typically paid in cash or via bank transfer, and some landlords even accept cryptocurrency. Before signing, double-check what's included in the rent. In modern condos, internet and cleaning services are often covered, but utilities like electricity and water may still be extra. One big advantage of renting in Vietnam is that most apartments come fully furnished. You'll usually have everything you need: bed, desk, equipped kitchen. But if you want to personalize your space, there are plenty of options to buy cheap furniture, whether in local stores or from expats selling their items on Facebook groups. Now, you have everything you need to rent an apartment in Vietnam without stress. If you're coming for a short stay, Airbnb or Facebook Marketplace are your best bets. But if you're staying longer, taking the time to look in person will help you negotiate a much better price. Always check the Wi-Fi speed, be mindful of hidden fees, and avoid paying too many months up front. And most importantly, choose a neighborhood that fits your lifestyle. Do you prefer the lively city center vibe, or would you rather be in a peaceful beachside area? Let me know in the comments where you'd love to live in Vietnam. And if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips on life here. See you soon!